Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate token swaps with Uniswap step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask, installed and set up. Next, fund your wallet with some Ethereum or another token you want to swap. Visit the Uniswap website by entering the official URL in your web browser. Connect your wallet to Uniswap by selecting the Connect Wallet button on the homepage. Choose your wallet type from the options provided and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, navigate to the swap interface on the Uniswap platform. Select the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu labeled From. Enter the amount you wish to swap. Next, select the token you want to receive in exchange by choosing it from the drop-down menu. Review the details of your swap, including the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transaction. If everything looks correct, click on the Swap button to proceed with the transaction. Confirm the swap details in the pop-up window that appears. Approve the transaction in your wallet by confirming it when prompted. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once completed, you will receive the new token in your wallet. To automate future token swaps, consider using a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol integration, such as a bot or script. Research available automation tools that support Uniswap, ensuring they are secure and reputable. Set up the automation tool according to its documentation, typically by connecting your wallet and setting parameters for token swaps. Test the automation with a small transaction to ensure that it works as expected. Once confident, you can adjust the parameters for larger or more frequent swaps to suit your trading strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.